Hello everyone and welcome to video. As you can see, this track 151 is very indoor. There's a lot of indoor on the surface and it's covered in black and dirty sauce. We're moving inside now, and as you can see, the car is full with trash, including paper, stuff from our house and door. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. We'll be posting 3 new videos every week, so make sure to turn the notification bell to catch our next upload. For the first steps, we begin by washing the car engine to remove the door and the grease to add a vacuuming injury components in the vehicle. In the next step, we will lift the car with the jack and wash the tires and outside, cooling the tire rest. After cleaning the other side of the car, we move on to washing the exterior. We begin with preliminary wash to remove as much dirt as possible. We would love to hear your thoughts of video. Please share your feedback in the comment section below. If you enjoyed it so far, don't forget to subscribe on the channel and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with upcoming videos. Now that we have finished cleaning the car exterior, it is time to move on to the interior and begin vacuuming. The next step is to clean the interior of the car doors. After cleaning the car doors, the next step is to clean the dashboard and center console. After 4 hours the harbor. Track 405 looks as delivery incredible. We were able to remove all the trash, paper, sunflower husk and dirt. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of future content. Leave your comment below so we can upload your next video.